Hello, high heels and fashion lovers, and welcome back to my channel. As I promised, I'm back soon, and today, guys, it's going to be again about shoes, and again, I'm going to present another model from my collection by Gianvito Rossi by this Italian brand. The different this time is that I'm going to present a pair of strappy sandals in black. Yeah, so the previous time they were pumps and now they're sandals. And I'm going to do the usual things as always when I'm doing a review for a shoes brand or a review of a shoes that I have from my collection. I'm going to unbox the shoes. I'm going to try them on. I'm going to style them. This time I'm going to show you maybe uh, two options. Even though they are sandals, I would like to um, show them to you combined with hosiery. So sometimes they hosiery and sandals are not the best friends, but sometimes that's possible. And for those sandals, I can recommend that. For me, they go perfectly, but you can say your mind, of course. And that's the plan for today. Maybe I'm going to style them differently. Maybe I'll show you different other outfits, but it's going to be very spontaneous. So I really don't have a clear plan at this point. So that's it, guys. Please stick up with me, and as always, at the end of this video, I would expect to hear from you. So let's get started with the unboxing.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I'm Elena Constantine and I talk all things fashion and elegant footwear. Today is a very special video because we are unboxing and reviewing one of my absolute favorites, the Gianvito Rossi lace-up sharp 105 cm sandals in black. So let's get into it. Okay, first impressions. Gianvito Rossi packaging is always super clean and minimal. I love the neutral box and the shoes are wrapped beautifully. And here they are. These are the lace-up sharp 105 sandals in black. The heel is 105 millimeters, so it's definitely high, but Gianvito Rossi heels are known for being well balanced and surprisingly comfortable. The leather feels incredibly soft, and look at the sharp pointed front. Very sleek, very feminine. The lace-up straps are thin and elegant, definitely giving that expensive minimalism energy. Now let's try them on. Lace-up shoes always take a minute, but once they're wrapped and tied securely, they look stunning. I'm wrapping the straps around the ankle and a little bit higher up the leg for that elongated silhouette. Immediately I can feel the arch, but it's not painful at all. The leather really hugs the foot. Okay, walk-in test. They're definitely tall at 105 millimeters, but they feel stable. The heel is thin but not wobbly, and the sole has just enough structure to support the foot. They are elegant, like real-life runway elegant. So overall, first impressions: comfort, surprisingly good for a 105 millimeter heel. Design, minimal, sexy, and timeless. Quality, exactly what you expect from Gianvito Rossi: clean stitching, perfect details, and beautiful leather. Let's style them. First look, I'm pairing the shoes with a red leather skirt. I love a pop of a bold color with a sleek black sandal. The red instantly makes the shoes the focal point without competing with the lace detail. The lace up straps add drama, while the red leather gives that confident going out energy. Those sandals, they are absolutely a statement heel. You can style in so many ways: romantic, bold, minimal, or edgy, perfect for a night out, dinner, events, or just making your outfit feel expensive. For the second styling option, we are going moodier and more textured: black tights, a mini satin skirt, and a shirt. Wearing lace-up sandals over tights is such an elevated look, very editorial, very fashion week in Milan vibes. The contrast between satin and leather just works perfectly for me. The lace-up straps over the tights add dimension, and the whole look feels chic and unexpected.
So, guys, this was all for today. I hope that you were enjoying this episode with me. And it was, as always, a pleasure for me to record this video for you and to present, of course. And now I need just to edit and put that nicely together and present to you. I'm not really sure when I'm going to post, but I will really try to be as soon as possible. Please let me know what do you think about the shoes, and yeah, I think that you know them already from my Instagram, but still, yeah, it was something that I missed to present to you so far. That's why I am, yeah, do this right now. And guys, also please give me big thumbs ups. Please leave me nice comments. Please come to my Instagrams and check my content there, Elena Constantine. Let's be friends. Don't be shy. And be polite, be kind, as I always encourage you to be. Anything else, any suggestions from your side, please just hit the comment section and let me know. And yeah, guys, you just stay safe and warm and healthy, and we see each other very, very soon. I love you guys. Okay, so I love you guys, and yeah, till the next time. Bye.